Alright, today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Ford key fob. This is out of an Explorer. So the first thing you want to do is remove the manual key. There's a D10 here, press it down. The key will come out, and then on this one we'll actually just use the key. You'll see, just like on other fobs, there's this groove. Get behind it. Well, actually you can see that right there. So it's actually held in by this little D10 there, goes right there, and then this other side goes down here. Now sometimes when you take them off you'll feel like this is going to break, but if you just work at it, it'll pop off and release from this one here. And this is actually a CR2450 battery. So, and then to put it back together, really just get both those little tabs lined up, and then we'll take the manual key just like that.